working a lot.
Okay.
I haven't seen any previews.
Okay.
I haven't read no synopsises, no reviews, nothing.
Okay.
I didn't even know it was a Spike Lee film or anything like that until I got here.
It's based on truth. The audience does not need my help to tell them what to think or feel.
This is David Duke.
Grand Wizard of the Ku Klux Klan. That David Duke?
God. Last time I checked. What can I do you for?
So excited. Spike Lee wanted me to play this character. So bummed to have to do all the research to get there. He's such a public figure. It was just the worst month of my life. My wife had to deal with me during my month. But so thrilled once I got to see it. Spike did an amazing job. This is the only person you could play a kind of role like this for.
The KKK is planning an attack.
How do you propose to make this investigation?
We'll establish contact over the phone. We'll need a white officer to play me when they meet face to face.
So how did you prepare for this role?
I started with 70s music. I went to sleep to Soul Train every night. Superfly, the original Superfly, on repeat. Lenny Kravitz gave me a playlist, so I was well prepared.
White power! Black power!